Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. When you forgot the pattern passcode or PIN code for your Android, a factory reset can unlock it for you. But if it's verifying your Google account, and you don't remember the password of your Google account, in today's video I'll show you how to reset Android phone without Google account. Let's get started. First thing first, you need to know how to reset Android. Right now I'm using Samsung A4. Press volume down and power key for a few seconds to turn off your phone. If the screen goes dark, push volume up and power button for a couple of seconds. Release all keys if you see the Samsung logo. Then you're in the recovery mode. Use volume buttons to select wipe data/factory reset and confirm with the power key. Next, select wipe cache partition. Choose yes. Then choose reboot system now with the power button. Yeah, it's done. You need to reset your Android. Here I'll skip the unimportant part. And you can see the pop-up, verify Google account. Here I recommend using Forky for Android. This is the most fast and easy tool for Android users to bypass FRP lock in seconds. You can check the download link in the description and download it. Once finished installed, connect your Android to PC. Open Forky for Android. Click on Remove Google Lock section. Then select your device's version, Android 11 or 12. Click Start. Here you have to confirm the following. The first part is that return to the welcome screen. Then tap Emergency Call. Here enter *#0*#. Then go back to Forky for Android. Click Next. A new pop-up shows up on your Android. Tap Allow. Right now Forky for Android is unlocking your FRP. The unlocking process will not be long. Your phone will begin to reset. Just wait for a while. Well done? Your FRP lock is gone. Yeah, it is super easy. You can remove the FRP lock in just 3 steps. Go to check the download link in the description and download it. Okay, here is today's tutorial. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you like this video, you can subscribe us. Stay tuned for our next videos.